Been long awaited. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff all packed up. 32 to 1. They do not accept credit cards, so if you're coming to LACR, go get you some cash first. My power valve might be sticking. Al pastor, guacamole. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Been long awaited. I've been very excited to get this thing on the track finally, and in last week's video we showed the issues we're having with the clutch. iWorks Connection hooked us up with the clutch perch and a clutch lever, so resolved the issue. But before we get going, before we get loaded up, we gotta pack a gear bag, so see what we got going on. I think I got some old school stuff. I'm gonna run the red helmet, kind of go with the bike. Old school Honda Trolley Designs collab, so we'll wear that. Some red pants and some old school style HRC Honda Trolley Designs glove, goggles. Actually, I think I got a fresh set up here. Set of white 100%. So I think that's all we need. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff all packed up and organized, and we'll start loading up. Alright, we're all loaded up and ready to hit the track. Pretty sure I got everything. It's been about, I don't know, 6-7 months since I've even ridden a bike, so I'm gonna be a little rusty. Just stoked to get this thing out on the track finally. I'm gonna go pick up my brother. He's gonna come get some shots for me today off the bike, and then we gotta go get some gas. Picked up a ratio right yesterday and some premix. It's been a minute since I've mixed gas. I think I remember what I'm doing. We'll go pick up Chance, get some gas, and we'll be at the track.
What's that?
All right, I think we got it. Let's see my readings right. This isn't exactly level, but 2.5 gallons, 32 to 1. All right, made a little bit of a mess, but we got exactly 2.5 gallons ready to rip. Alright, we're pulling up. We've been coming here for probably 30 years now. So the track used to be at street level, and there's like a rock quarry company that's surrounding it. So they bought out the track, and it was closed for years, but now they reopened it probably 3 years ago, actually in the hole that the rock quarry dug out. So lots of memories here. Pulling up, gonna pay, get geared up, and hit the track. Side note, you need cash to ride here. We had to go to the gas station, pick up cash. They do not accept credit cards, so if you're coming to LACR, go get you some cash first. just got off the track for the first time riding the bike, and it's pretty sweet. Definitely way too soft. Suspension's way too soft. Bike's really slow, and then I had somebody come over to me afterwards and mention that my power valve might be sticking. So under here, we loosened this bolt and looked under there, and sure enough, power valve is not opening. So we're definitely down on power. I was actually out there thinking, like, how in the heck did McGrath and all those guys go so fast on these bikes, because it feels like a 125 to me. But either way, sounds sweet. It's not gonna hurt it riding like this, so I'm gonna mount this on a helmet because I know that chesty version didn't really work that well. So we'll go through this on the helmet, go spin some more laps, and have some more fun. All right, headed back. First day on the bike was pretty good. Not a whole lot I expected, but I was just happy to get the bike off the stand and onto the track. Like I mentioned before, the power valve was malfunctioning, so the bike was really slow. I don't even really know what that means. I'm not too familiar with these engines, but I do know that this engine was like a pretty strong engine back in the day, so I was kind of confused when I took my first lap on it, thinking like feels more like a 125 than a 250. Other than that, it was a good day. It was really hot today. Just glad to get it on the track. If you follow us on the Thrashin vlog, you know that we stop by taco joints on the way home. So I think we're gonna continue the tradition on this channel. We found one of our favorite spots out here. It's off of Pear Blossom Highway, kind of next to LACR. So gonna go swing by there, grab some tacos, and head home. Can I do one queso taco al pastor?
Queso taco al pastor?
Yeah, and then just one regular al pastor. I think this is regular, this is queso. I'm gonna go queso first. All right, a little bit of like grilled cheese on there. Al pastor, guacamole. They're bomb. These are some of the best tacos we've had in Southern California. All right, guys, so thanks for coming along on the first day of riding the early 90s 250. Definitely got a lot of work to do to it. I want to do suspension. I want to do the engine work, get this thing running right before we do a full-fledged edit on this thing. I just want to kind of get it on the track, shake it down a little bit. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one later on.